Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys one of the best strategies that I've ever used in my trading career. This strategy made me become so consistently profitable that it changed the way I viewed the markets, changed everything. So this is the head and shoulders pattern, and this is a bearish reversal pattern. It only happens after the market has been trending in an uptrend and it's about to change direction. It signals potential change from uptrend to downtrend, and it works on any time frame. Whether you're a day trader, whether you're a scalper, this can work. So you open your chart, identify the trend, and then identify three recent peaks. The left peak being the left shoulder, the middle part being the head, and the head has to be higher than both shoulders, than both peaks, for this to be valid. And then the right shoulder being on the right side. And then you connect two swing lows, the swing low from the left shoulder and the swing low from the right shoulder, and then this becomes your neckline. And as for your take profit, the distance from the head to the neckline, that same projection can be your take profit level. Either your first take profit or your overall take profit, just depends on your hunger. Just depends on your hunger and how you are willing to go with the trade. And as for your stop loss, personally I use the right shoulder. The distance from the peak, the right shoulder peak, to the neckline becomes my stop loss. So you can see the risk to reward ratio is very much optimum. I'm risking less to gain more, and this is good for someone who's looking to protect their capital. And always practice good risk management, guys. You're trading to grow your account over time and not blow it. So let's look at yet another example. And in this case, the market was in an uptrend. I identified the peaks, the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and I connected my neckline from the swing lows of those shoulders. As you can see there's my neckline, and from there, you simply wait for the market to react to your neckline. And as you can see there, the distance from the head to the neckline, that same distance became my take profit zone. It became my take profit zone. And as you can see, the market respected that, broke the neckline, it went down, it went short for the longest time. And let's look at yet another example. The market was in an uptrend. I identified the head and shoulders pattern. I connected the swing lows, forming my neckline, and I waited for the price to react to the neckline. And as you can see there, price broke. I projected my take profit zone, and as you can see, the price respected that. It even went further from what I projected, and there was marking my stop loss zone and my take profit zone. And as you can see, that's good risk to reward ratio. The market even went further from the projection. So what you can do is just enter and then try your stop loss, making sure your profits are secure. And here's another example of the head and shoulders pattern. The market was in an uptrend. I identified the head and shoulders pattern, identified the peaks, connected my neckline from the swing lows, from the swing low of the left shoulder and the right shoulder. I projected my take profit zone, and as you can see, exactly where I had projected, the market reached that level, and I marked my stop loss zone and I marked my take profit zone, as you can see there. Also here, as you can see, the market is in an uptrend, and I identified the swing highs, the peaks. I connected the neckline from the left shoulder and the right shoulder, and I waited for the market. The market, as you can see, the market broke that neckline. And there are two ways to enter this. You can either enter it when it breaks, or you can wait for a retest and after the retest you then enter the sell positions. So you can see there, that became my stop loss zone, and that became my take profit zone, and the market went even further down from what I projected. So yeah guys, that's basically all you need to know about the head and shoulders pattern. It's very much simple, not complicated, but it's very much effective. Once you try this, once you backtest this and you apply it to your trading, you should start seeing positive results that I can guarantee you guys. And so yeah, and if you're someone who's looking to take this further, if you're someone who's looking to get started, I've put the link in my bio. You can create an account on the same platform that I use. You can trade on weekends, you can trade anywhere in the world, and you can start enjoying some profits as you go. So yeah, take care guys.